Looking for an affordable, entry-level pre-built gaming rig that delivers solid 1080p sports performance and reliable everyday productivity without draining your wallet? Today we are taking a close look at the AMD Ryzen 5 4500/Radeon RX 6500 XT gaming PC desktop, an accessible system built for casual gamers, students, and home offices. Let us be honest, high-end gaming rigs can easily cost a small fortune, making it tough to jump into PC gaming or a snappy desktop setup on a tight budget. This value-focused pre-built system bridges that gap by packing reliable core components into a modern, aesthetic chassis. At the heart of its performance is a 6-core, 12-thread AMD Ryzen 5 4500 processor, boosting up to 4.1 GHz, paired with responsive memory and fast solid-state storage to keep your system booting quickly and multitasking smoothly. Underneath its sleek, transparent fish tank style case equipped with multicolor RGB cooling fans, it features a dependable hardware configuration, dedicated 1080p gaming graphics, powered by the AMD Radeon RX 6500 XT, 4GB GDDR6 graphics card, giving you smooth, crisp frame rates in popular esports and multiplayer titles like Fortnite, Valorant, Minecraft, and GTA 5. Responsive memory and storage, configured with 16GB of DDR4 RAM for lag-free application switching, alongside a rapid NVMe SSD for lightning-fast file transfers and game loading times. Ready-to-go connectivity, outfitted with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, alongside a versatile array of USB and display ports for easy peripheral and monitor hookups. If you want a budget-friendly, eye-catching starter desktop that handles casual gaming, schoolwork, and daily multitasking right out of the box, this Ryzen 5/RX 6500 XT system offers fantastic value. Click the link below for the best price. Would you like help comparing this budget gaming desktop with some of the laptops or monitors we've looked at today to complete your setup?